You know, I've been gardening for a lot of years, and like most gardeners, I normally till up the garden in the spring. It looks beautiful. The land is nice and fluffy, and so you plant your seeds, and pretty soon they start to come up, but also the weeds are starting to come up. And now, after a month or so, it's hard to tell the weeds from the vegetables, and pretty soon the once soft soil is just hard as a rock. And about that point, most of us give up because the weeds have won the battle. Well, I used to use a garden spading fork to loosen the ground, and that works pretty good. But I thought, you know, if a guy could come up with one that's wider, that's maybe stronger, that ought to work better. So about 5 years ago, I came up with a design for the no-till easy digger. And it's a little bit unique. There's a lot of broad forks on the market, but this one has removable tines, digging tines. So that's what we have to offer now. We have a 23-inch digger, easy digger. We also have a 12-inch model with just 4 tines. Works great for small flower gardens and raised bed. I want a really good product. I'm very conscious of quality. We've been selling this digger now for about 5 years. Overwhelmingly good reports on it. The no-till easy digger that we sell now is guaranteed for as long as you own it. If you break it under normal conditions, I'll either fix it or replace it. We powder coat every one. We could get by with painting them, but that's not as good. And quality is top of my list. It's a good product, it works well, it's guaranteed, and I'm proud to offer them to the public.